Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show how to fix if your display graphics driver missing from your device manager in Windows PC. If you not find display graphics driver in Windows adapter, in this case first step, click on scan for hardware. You will find your driver. If you not find, then next step, click on action and click on add legacy hardware. Click on next. Now check on install hardware manually and click on next. Select display adapter and click on next. Here showing your manufacturing driver. Select your driver and model. After this click on next and again click on next. After completed click on finish for close the window. Here you can see your device graphics driver. If your installed device driver not supported, then click right side on your mouse on your graphics driver and click on update driver. Click on search automatically update driver. Friend, it is a online downloaded graphics driver. After downloading, close the window and reboot your PC. After all the processing completed, you can see problem is solved. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.